Well, now come sit with me a spell. Let's take a moment to slow down together. Just you and me, in this gentle hush that settles over the house as the day fades away. Let's talk about that sweet, quiet time just before you drift off to sleep. It's a time that often slips by unnoticed, but it holds a special kind of magic if you let yourself notice it. The world outside gets quiet, and it's just you and your thoughts, floating in the soft darkness. The hum of the day fades, and you can almost hear your own heartbeat, steady and calm. This is pure magic, a gentle, sacred space where you can let go of all your worries and just be. It's a time to breathe deeply, to feel the softness of your sheets, and to let your mind wander gently. Most folks tumble into bed with their minds still racing, but these last few moments awake are a precious gift. They're a chance to pause, to reflect, and to let your thoughts settle like snowflakes on a quiet night. Think of it as your own private garden, where you plant the seeds of the life you truly want. Each thought, each hope, each gentle wish you make in this quiet time is like a seed tucked into rich, dark soil, ready to grow. It's not about striving, it's about softening, letting the day melt away and opening your heart. Allow yourself to release the tension you've carried and let your breath become slow and easy. Let's linger here, in this cozy in-between place, and learn how to use this quiet time to talk to our own hearts. Listen to what your heart is whispering, and let it guide you gently toward peace. Maybe you want to remember something good from your day, or send a little hope out into tomorrow. This is your time to dream, to imagine, and to fill your heart with gratitude. What we do in these moments can change everything. Tune your heart to joy, and watch your world sing it back to you. The sweetness you find here will follow you into your dreams and greet you again with the morning light. Have you noticed how time changes its rhythm at night? During the day, time is a taskmaster, but at night, it softens and stretches. You slip from the strict straight-line thinking into a dreamy awareness, what I call heart time. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow all seem to dance together. In this stillness, you're free to play, visit your future self, feel dreams come true before they arrive. Time becomes your friend, a gentle river carrying you wherever you wish. Your logical mind gets sleepy and your imagination wakes up, sparkling with possibility. As time softens, the walls of what you think is possible dissolve, revealing a brighter horizon. In this space, you are timeless, crafting your desires and feeling them real. You're not just a passenger, you're laying the tracks toward your most wonderful dreams. Let's talk about the sweet spot right on the edge of sleep, SATS or state akin to sleep. This is a little-known secret that can quietly transform your nights and in turn your days. It's a gentle, magical threshold that most people slip through without even realizing its power. It's that drowsy, floaty feeling when you're not quite awake, not quite asleep. It's like standing on a bridge between two worlds, one foot in doing, one in dreaming. In this space, your mind is quiet, your body is relaxed, and the usual chatter of the day fades into the background. You're suspended in a gentle in-between, where reality feels soft and malleable. In this relaxed state, your conscious mind lets its guard down, and your subconscious opens up. Your deeper mind is a fertile garden, ready to accept whatever seeds you plant. Here, your imagination becomes vivid, and your feelings are amplified. It's as if your inner world is more receptive, more alive, and ready to be shaped by your intentions. That's why SATS is the golden hour for manifestation. During the day, planting dreams is hard work, but here, the soil is soft and ready. The resistance you feel when you're fully awake melts away, and your desires can take root more easily. It's a time when your wishes and dreams can be gently impressed upon your subconscious, setting the stage for real change. Ideas and feelings introduced now sink in deep, without resistance. This is your direct line to the creative power inside you. It's like whispering your dreams to the universe when it's most willing to listen. The thoughts and emotions you focus on here can echo into your waking life, shaping your experiences in subtle but profound ways. You don't have to force it. This state comes naturally every night. The trick is to become aware of it and use it with loving intention. With a little practice, you can gently guide your thoughts and feelings as you drift off, planting seeds of hope, gratitude, or any desire you wish to see blossom. As your body gets heavy and your thoughts drift, that's your cue. The magic doorway opens. It's your natural ability to gently guide your life from the inside out. Every night, you have a chance to step through this doorway and shape your reality, one gentle thought at a time. Once you're in that lovely, drowsy state, when your mind is quiet and your body is relaxed, speak the language your deeper mind understands, feeling. This is the moment when your conscious thoughts begin to fade and your subconscious becomes most receptive. Your subconscious responds not to the words you say, but to the feeling of already having your desires, not just the thought or wish for them. It's the emotion behind your dreams that truly communicates with your inner self. Imagine your dream as real. Feel the warmth in your chest, the joy bubbling up inside, the peace that settles over you, and above all, the deep gratitude for having received what you desire. Let your senses come alive with the experience. Wrap your imagination in real, vivid emotion. That's what brings your vision to life. The more real it feels, the more powerfully it imprints on your subconscious. The secret ingredient is always feeling, and the most powerful feeling you can cultivate is gratitude. Gratitude opens your heart and signals to your mind that your desire is already yours. Being thankful before you see your desire in the physical world is the ultimate act of faith. It's a way of telling the universe you trust the process and believe in the unseen. When you feel genuine thankfulness, you're telling your creative self it's already done. You're aligning your inner world with the reality you wish to experience. Whisper softly, "Thank you, it is done," and let that gratitude wash over you like a gentle wave. Allow yourself to bask in the feeling of completion. It's a feeling of completion and peace, not pretending, but truly claiming your new reality as your own. You're not forcing or faking, it's a quiet confidence. You're stepping into your chosen reality, embracing it fully, and giving thanks for it as if it's already here. This is how you bridge the gap between desire and manifestation. This beautiful blend of feeling and thankfulness is the melody that creates a truly wonderful life. Let it play in your heart every night and watch your world transform. Let's have some fun with imagination. As you relax, imagine the ceiling dissolving, revealing a vast, starry night sky. This is your personal canvas. Create your own constellations. See the constellation of perfect health, each star shining with vitality. The constellation of abundance, twinkling with blessings. The constellation of true love, its stars dancing in harmony. Create as many constellations as you have dreams. Creativity, joy, peace. You are the stargazer and mapmaker of your destiny. This game connects your desires to the infinite, making them feel grand and possible. You're not just wishing, you're seeing your dreams written in the stars. Paint your fulfilled life on the grandest canvas imaginable. Let your imagination run wild under your own starry sky. As you gaze at your imaginary night sky, bring your breath into the picture. Breathe in a soft, easy rhythm, no forcing, just a gentle flow. Imagine breathing in sparkling starlight, filling your body with positive energy. With each inhale, draw your desires into your being. Feel your body tingle and glow with cosmic light. On the exhale, release worries, doubts, and tension. Let them dissolve into the night sky. With every breath out, you become lighter and more peaceful. In with starlight, out with worry. This conscious breathing makes your imaginary scene real and tangible. Your body relaxes into deep peace, knowing all is well. This starlit breathing is your lullaby as you prepare to accept your dreams. Now comes the most important part, stepping into your dream. Don't see your desire as distant. Feel as if you're living it now. Move from observer to star of the show. If you desire love, feel their hand in yours, the joy and laughter. If you desire success, feel the pride, the congratulations, the satisfaction. Make the scene real with all your senses. Imagine a short scene that implies your wish is already part of your life. For example, imagine a casual conversation about your new reality. Loop this scene in your mind, adding detail and feeling each time. You're not asking, you're living in the reality where it's already happened. This is the shift from wanting to having, from hoping to knowing. As you drift deeper into sleep, seal your imaginary act with gratitude. Let a wave of thankfulness wash over you, a prayer already answered. Whisper, "Thank you for this beautiful reality." Give thanks not because you hope, but because in your imagination it's already happened. You've experienced, felt, and lived it. Gratitude is the golden seal on your letter to the universe. It says, "This is complete. This is my truth now." Gratitude replaces doubt with quiet confidence and peace. As you let go and drift into sleep, let your last thought be thankfulness. Fall asleep in the state of the wish fulfilled, wrapped in gratitude. You've planted your seeds, now rest. The creative power within you is already bringing your vision to life. And then comes the morning. You might not see your dream right away, and that's all right. The seeds need time to sprout. Carry the feeling of peace and gratitude into your day. Let it be a quiet, happy secret in your heart. Don't dig up your seeds. Trust the universe is doing its part. Live your day with more faith, joy, and expectation. Notice the signs and opportunities the universe sends your way. This is a nightly ritual of hope and creation, shaping your world from the inside out. The possibilities are as limitless as the starry sky you painted. You have the magic within you. Unlock it, one sweet dream at a time.